guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new, my name is Jeannie. If you're returning, thanks for stopping back in. I'm excited that you're here. So for today's video, I'm actually pretty excited to share what I have. So the first part of this video is going to be just a small unboxing. It's one item. I'm going to give you a little bit of information about where I got this product from. And then the second part of the video is going to be me styling the product and wearing it and giving my opinion on the feel and just letting you see the product in action in an outfit. But I'm actually pretty excited. So this is pretty cute. First and foremost, I want to mention this. When I started my channel a while ago, maybe it was like 2 years ago now or something like that. When I started it, anybody that reached out to me that wanted to send me something for my honest review, I would be so excited and I would never turn any opportunity like that down. Today, after a couple years, I'm a little bit more selective in the opportunities that I say yes to. And here's why. It's always exciting that, of course, like getting a product, or somebody actually interested in wanting your opinion or wanting you to showcase it on your platforms, whatever they may be, on social media. That's exciting. That's fun. But content creation is not my full-time job by any means. And I am busy. I work hard. I work a full-time job. I'm a mom of young kids, like preschool and daycare aged kids still, and a high schooler. So I'm also a wife. This is not my full-time job. And so because of that and the time that it takes to do these videos, I do not say yes to every opportunity. But when I was reached out to by this company, I went on the website and there was so many cute things that I was like, okay, I'm gonna do this one. I was excited, so I got to pick a product. The company that we're talking about today is called Perfectkickz, and my contact within this company was very nice, not pushy at all, and just asked me if I would like to pick out a product in exchange for an honest review and a video. So like I said, I went on the website. You guys, they have accessories, shoes, clothes, really cute hoodies, zip-ups, purses, and I found something that I just had to have, and so I asked if they would send me over these tennis shoes in the style, this Dior style. And let me show you what they look like. It does come obviously in the Dior box. You open it up, you get the nice dust cover bag, which is always nice. It really, gives that luxe feel. And then we have the Dior tissue paper. And these are the Dior tennis shoes. I'm a sucker for black tennis shoes, and I'm just like, of course, I love my heels. I love boots, but I am also a tennis shoe girl. And I just thought that these were so cute. I love the laces. I love the texture of the shoe. And also, if you open it up, there's still the paper inside here. If you open it up, check out the detailing of where your heel goes in. There's like this extra heel support that's very soft. It almost feels like it's made of like a memory foam. And then of course you have the Dior logo, and it says Dior on the inside of the shoe. I just thought that these were adorable and would go with so many different outfits. So I am really excited to try these on for you guys. And so yes, and like I mentioned, I definitely recommend checking out their website. Jewelry, bags, shoes, clothes, different accessories, scarves, belts. They really have a lot of cute items. And I will have not only the website, but also a code that you can use to get 10% off if you do find something that you like. I will have all of that in the description box below. Definitely check down below. I definitely recommend checking out the website. And then, like I said, if you do find something that you want to get, then you can go ahead and use the code down below for a discount. It is not like an affiliate code. I don't earn money if you use the code. It's just there for you in case you find something on the website that you want to shop. Now, without further ado, we're going to switch over and I'm going to show you what these look like with the outfit that I'm wearing today. So here I have them on with this outfit, black pants, white shirt. As you can see, they go great. They are super comfortable. I am loving that detailing that I showed on the heel. And what I love about these is you can dress them up or dress them down when it comes to a tennis shoe. Super comfortable. Definitely something that is very versatile and you can wear with a lot of things. I'm really excited about them and I will definitely be pairing these with a lot of outfits.